Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to share some purchases that I recently made and my cart, even though I posted about it on Instagram. But I know many of you guys probably don't have Instagram, so I'm just gonna share with you guys. Here real quickly, I just redid my cart. This part up here, the wood had already rotted and was falling apart. I found a wood palette and I took it apart and then I put this together and spray painted it. I really like how I only did one coat because I actually like the look of it, like if it's stained that color, like, you know, if it was a stain that I use instead of spray paint. So I really like the way it turned out. And yeah, so that's what I did. And then I'm gonna share you guys purchases that I made. So I just wanted to share this right here real quick. This is marble, very heavy. I want it outside. That's the point of getting it outside. The plastic one that I had got really bad because I left it out for days and it got wet, so I tossed it. So I bought this one at Ross. I found it for $14.99. I think it's a great deal. Even though they get wet outside, I've never had an issue with it not wanting to turn. The wood one and the plastic one that I had have always turned, so no issues there with that. Anyways, this Euphorbia, I purchased it at Amelia's Nursery. It's a local nursery here. So I don't have this Euphorbia. I don't know the name. It didn't have a name. So if you know the name, let me know. It's not the zipper one or anything like that. So see if you guys know the name on that. I need to repot it into a bigger pot. And then this plant, I'm not sure if it's a peperomia. I bought it because it was just so tiny and cute. It came in a small pot like that. And I put it in this pot. It's actually inside. I leave it inside in front of my kitchen window. I just got it, so it's doing fine for now. We'll see. Sorry guys, I am still feeling a little bit cold on my throat. So I was at Home Depot the other day and I saw these, and this is a desert rose, and it is a grafted one, but it is very different than my other desert roses. I find it weird looking because it is this long stem and then very you know, like very developed at the top with beautiful flowers. I got two of them. I got one for my sister-in-law and gifted to her, and I got this one. So I just really like the way it looked. I think it's super cute, and for $10 and you get the other plant in the bottom. So I was like, yeah, I'll take it. I just like how, I don't know, it just looks too cute to me. So that's why I got it. Then yesterday, so this was like last week. Yesterday I go to Home Depot and I see that they brought a bunch of new succulents. So, and there's even some that I've never even seen. So let me just take this one out. This one, I just really like the colors. It's really pretty. And the name of this one, here it is. That's what that one is. It's a hybrid. So yeah, just really like that color. So I got that. And then this one I've been eyeing. I had seen it a few times, but wouldn't grab it. And then finally I decided to grab it. It's really pretty. And I think the name suits it well. Here it is, name. It's Shooting Stars, and it's a Sedum Adolphi. And look, so cute. I hope it behaves just like the Adolphi. I've been having really really good luck with it, so I just hope that I have good luck with this one as well. It's really pretty. These were all like almost $5. Their prices have gone up. So then here's another Stradivarius that, to my knowledge, I have not seen. I know it looks similar to other Stradivarius. Here I have the lilac one. this one. You can see it's different. This one is called Ciderea Prairie Dot Passion. I don't know. So yeah, super cute. Got that. And then I was looking for Tradescantia plants, and they have these, and I fell in love with the color. I had a friend on Instagram send me a few different ones of different varieties, so I was excited to find these for $2 something. Look at this beautiful flower. So yeah, these will go, I'll show you where they'll go eventually. Whenever I pop them up, I'll show you where they're gonna go. But yeah, but I actually do like them in this basket. This basket, someone threw it out. If I leave this out, it's probably just gonna fall apart. That's what they do, you know. Weather, they get all weathered. There's nothing that you can really do. But yeah, if you're gonna use it outside as a planter, it's gonna get bad. And I kind of do want to use it as a planter outside. Like, what else am I gonna use it for, you know? But I think it would look beautiful filled with these. It looks really nice. At the end of this video, I'm gonna add, I think I took 2 videos when I went to Home Depot twice. I'll put it here for you to watch what they had, but you won't hear me talking because Home Depot has music in the background and YouTube doesn't like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play it with some other type of music in the background for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy that. And that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I will be showing you guys when I pop these up, and I don't know, anything else that I'll be doing, I will show you guys in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.